This is how to play I'm Too Oiled by Victoria. The original key of the song is the key of B, which is this key right here. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm going to start first by playing the song to you guys using the original key, which is the key of B. And then I'll break it down after on the key of C sharp. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. So in the key of B, it says, I'm too oiled to fade. I'm too oiled to fall. I'm too oiled to be small. I'm too oiled to be bound. I'm too oiled to feed. I'm too oiled to faint. I'm too oiled to be caged. I'm too oiled to be stopped. And then from that part it goes to a part that says, He anoints me with oil. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's break it down on the key of C sharp. Okay, on the key of C sharp. So on the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. Okay, this is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as F sharp major chord. From here, from 4, we go to 5. Second inversion. This is our number 5. It's a second inversion, also known as G sharp major second inversion. Okay, from 5 it goes back to 4. From 4 we go to 1 first inversion. From 1 first inversion we go back to 5. Okay, so we're going to introduce the bass just on that part. When you play 4 on the right, on the left you go to 4. When you play 5 on the right, on the left you go to 3. When you go back to 4 on the right, on the left you go to 2. When you go to 1 on the right, on the left you go to 1. When you go to 5 on the right, on the left you also go to 5. Okay, this is where it says, I'm too oiled to fade. I'm too oiled to fall. I'm too oiled to be small. I'm too oiled to be bound. I'm too oiled. Okay, we're going to play that progression 2 times. Okay, and then we go to a part that says, He anoints me with oil. Okay, that part starts right on this chord.